Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Gimp and how you can make photo borders on your images. So we're going to go ahead and get to that. Before we start, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to support my channel, please donate by buying me a coffee today. That is something you could find in my profile page on YouTube in the right hand corner. So if you'd like to do that, I'd be grateful and very appreciative. It helps my channel a lot. So let's get to the video. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open an image file. So you're going to go ahead and hit open, and then you're going to select an image. Now I have NEF files. So what's going to happen is if I open this file, it's going to direct it to another program, which I have defaulted to Darktable. And then I can go ahead and make my final image adjustments in this program, but I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm going to just hit X out of it when I'm done, and then hit open. And then my photo appears on Gimp. So the next thing that I want to do is go into image, and I want to go into canvas size. Then I'm going to change my pixels to inches. Now I do this because it's my personal preference. You can change it to however you want or whatever you want. If you want to stay with pixels, that's perfectly fine. So I'm going to go ahead and change my width to how big I want my border and my height. Okay, now I'm going to hit center. Now if that's what you like, you can go ahead and keep that. This is just a little preview showing you how the image is going to look. If I want to change it, I can also change it to where the bottom is bigger or the top is smaller. Either way, it doesn't matter. These are all adjustments that you can make on the fly with a live preview. So then I'm going to make sure it's centered again. I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's white and all layers is selected, and then I'm going to hit resize. All right. So that's all you have. That's it. That's all that's to it, really. And that's how you make a border in Gimp. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to get notified when new videos get posted. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider checking out some of the other videos on the links at the end of this video.